Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and this week we're working on electron configurations, and the question is asking us to determine the number of unpaired electrons in the ground state atoms of the following. So let's go ahead and review what we mean by unpaired electrons. So if you remember from Pauli exclusion principle, each orbital can hold only 2 electrons in it. So if we're dealing with an s orbital, and it only has 1 electron in it, then it has 1 unpaired electron. If we're dealing with a p orbital, and let's say it has a total of 4 electrons in it, then it's going to have 2 unpaired electrons. So that's the general idea that we're going to follow while we do these problems. So let's go ahead and begin. Make sure you have a periodic table out if you don't already have one, because you're going to need it. So the first atom is rubidium, and we want to know the number of unpaired electrons. So the best way to do this is to go ahead and do the electron configuration for each one of these. So the electron configuration for rubidium, and let's go ahead and use the noble gas configuration, is going to be Kr for krypton and a 5s1. Okay, so the S is just going to have 1 electron in it, so we have 1 unpaired electron. Next one is cobalt. So the the noble gas configuration is going to be argon, and then we have 4s2, 3d7. So here, remember for D, we have 5 orbitals, and we have 7 electrons, so let's go ahead and fill these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that gives us 3 unpaired. Oops. 3 unpaired electrons. Next one is molybdenum. So this one's going to be krypton, and we have 5s1, 4d5. And remember, molybdenum is part of the 4-9 exception rule, so keep that in mind. And once again, we have 5 electrons in a d orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's not forget about our s, which has 1 electron in it. And so that gives us a total of 6 unpaired electrons. And the last one is cadmium, and that's going to have an electron configuration of, let's see, krypton, 5s2, 4d10. Alrighty, and we have our 5s, which has 2 electrons in it, and our 4d, which has 10 electrons in it. So we actually have, for cadmium, I'm going to write it up here, 0 unpaired electrons. Alright, I hope this video made sense. If you still have questions on this concept, make sure to come by during office hours or attend the workshops on Wednesdays. Thank you.